Alright, the early evening has arrived as we continue the first day of the new month and Groundhog Day weekend. February 1st, 2025, CN Hayes here along with the ATSF Railfan 1707 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with another video lined up. Highlight of the day. Gonna have the roll by of the B7 8841 of the 30th on the way with the new 3393 deleted. Let's check him out on the roll as it heads for Cairo, Illinois. As we lean back and get him, here we go. 3011 in the second slot. Manifest! Southwestern hopper in there. Oh, drop that. End of train device is going. And we'll do it for the M342, 41 of the 31st. We'll do it for the new 3392, along with the 3011 and the 2917. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to continue the first half of the Groundhog Day weekend. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great evening. Have a great weekend. See you next time. And hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.